there's power in standing firm and speaking your mind, but also saying it with grace and kindness as well, because we have to keep the element of humanity in that. Because when you say direct, some people think that you're being an asshole or you're being bitchy or you're yelling at people, which that's not the case. You can keep humanity in everything, because some people don't know, you know what I mean? And they don't know any better. They don't, like, going back, circling the fitness thing, they don't know what information's right on Google.
Yeah.
So for you to be hateful to them, or like, I can't believe you're so fucking stupid that you believe this, or you did this, that's never the approach. It's
It
if
never
you
lands well.
no, it's, look, I know you read this. The reason that this doesn't work, because the thing is that if you tell them that, you're calling them stupid for them believing it. And that's the worst way to take this. So it's you saying, look, I understand why you believe that, because that's been preached to us our whole life, of not eating is going to make you skinny and fit. But actually, here's what I've experienced and other people have experienced